Take the cover off this.
You can take this off.
Yeah, but I think what, that whole thing comes off?
Huh?
Or is it ripped off?
It comes off. Yeah, there's a little hole it goes into.
Oh, thank you. Oh no, I hit this. Where are they? Where is she? Where?
I am I, the great and powerful. Who are you? Who are you?
So there is no way I'm zooming up on this side?
Right.
If you please, I am Dorothy, the small and meek. We've come to ask.
Silence, whippersnapper! The beneficent Oz has every intention of granting your request. What is that? What is that? First, you must prove yourselves
How do you take a picture?
worthy by performing a very small task.
What?
Stop
Bring me
it.
the broomstick of the witch of the west. What if
Here,
we
take
do
it
that?
with my phone.
We'll have to kill it again. Bring me her broomstick.
7875.
I'll grant your request. Now go.
If you can zoom in on it. Oh, who knows? Don't worry about it. You see it? Is that stuff? Oh, that is. Thank you. Oh, that's a good one of mine.
That's cool.
Are you getting it zoomed all the way up? Good. Ooh, that one where she looks at us. Did you get her looking at us?
Yeah.
There, that's cool.
Take your arm and come to Boston. Bring
Did
me
they come out blurry or no?
Do what you like to the others, but I want her alive and unharmed.
Oh no, those are good.
Hey, next pair of those will be different. Well, I want those most of all.
Oh wow. Oh wow, that one's good too. Any ones you can take from it, because I never have good ones. Where is she? Which one? Oh, I see. Oh, are you getting pictures of all that?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Especially if she comes anywhere close to us.
Yeah.
picked her up with her?
Elise Anderson.
Who's this in the front middle?
I have no idea.
Oh, that's Judge Garcia's dog. Where is she?
Okay.
Okay.
That's so cool.
Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's a good one.
That's funky. I love that one.
Wow. Clap.
It's her.
Wow. Wow. Oh, I've never had any good pictures because I've never had anybody here to do them.
Like that's her picking up. I can't.
Wow.
That was really blurry.
No, it's okay.
That was bad.
Any ones
That
you
was
can
really
do.
well.
Let me, or if they don't make them, okay.